This plant-based butter has a secret ingredient that makes it taste just like real butter. I'm so happy to have found a fantastic replacement for real butter. Melt the coconut oil. You can use refined or unrefined oil. Refined has a neutral taste. Unrefined tastes like coconut. Measure out a cup of the oil. Pour the oat milk into a bowl. Add apple cider vinegar, then the coconut oil, avocado oil, and olive oil. Salt doesn't dissolve in oil, so we're grinding it with a mortar and pestle. Now for our mystery ingredient that gives the buttery taste: nutritional yeast. The nutritional yeast gives the butter a delicious flavor, and it also contains vitamin B. We'll grind it with the salt so the butter is smooth. If you find this video helpful, please help us out and give it a like. It allows us to make more videos for you. Add it to the mixture, and also a pinch of turmeric to give the butter a nice yellow color. Mix for about a minute to incorporate well, then leave in the fridge to chill for 5 minutes. Remove from the fridge. The butter has solidified at the top and the sides, so we whisk again. Then return to the fridge for another 5 minutes. It will set a little more, but will still be soft. Remove and whisk again. This is to incorporate the oat milk and the fat. Mix until it becomes soft and creamy. Now pour your butter into a container to store. You need to store this butter in the fridge, as if you leave it out for too long it will melt. If you want it to be soft, take it out a little while before you need to use it. This butter is perfect on toast. Here's an excellent recipe. I know you'll love it.